Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jarvis Escott. What's Happening in Birmingham today? I have the honor and pleasure and first time on the podcast. You all know him. You see him around town in Birmingham. Attorney Ronnie Rice of the Ronnie Rice Law Firm. Good morning, Attorney Rice.
What's up? What's happening? What's going on?
Great. Want to bring Ronnie on just to kind of tell you all about his great law firm he's got here in Birmingham and also get his perspective on a couple of legal issues today. Okay. So, Attorney Rice, thank you for coming on today.
Thank you for having me, man.
First time on the podcast, give people a little quick 1 minute bio on yourself.
1 minute bio, man. I'm a savage, man. I'm just messing with
you.
1 minute, from Pritchard, Alabama grown. Love the people, love the community. My tagline of my law firm is motivation, law, business, because everybody needs motivation and everybody sometimes needs law, and business is what makes the world go around. So I'm here to serve you guys. I'm just honored and pleasure to be here on your podcast. Thank you for having me.
All right, so what we want to talk about today is covers a lot with his law firm. But two things I want to talk to him about on this first time I got him on, because I think we have him on some other segments, is personal injury.
Yeah.
We see this all the time.
Yeah.
You in a wreck, you need a check, your car accident, call me today, blah, blah, blah. I just want you to kind of walk us through the process. So my car get hit. What do I do?
Man, very simple. One, call the police. Don't try to work out no side deal with the guy that hit you or the girl that hit you. Call the police. Two, take pictures. Take pictures of their insurance cards, driver's license, their tag, the damage, everything. Make sure you get witness statement. And then fourth, man, you know what you got to do. You got to call Ronnie Rice, baby. Because he makes sure everything's nice.
Can you give me $1 million?
Hey, absolutely. Hey, I need you to sign your soul right here. I got you.
Okay. So let's just say after the accident, I don't call you. Mm-hmm. Let me give you two scenarios. First question, how long does it take do I have to file?
All right, so in the state of Alabama, it's 2 years. Georgia's 2 years. Tennessee is 1 year. I mean, every state's pretty much the same, but every state's kind of different with regards to the statute of limitation. Statute of limitation, all that means is the amount of time that you have to file a case with the courts. This is not to set up a claim with your insurance. This is to file a case with the courts, which is two totally different things. So, but I tell people the reason why it's very important on the PI case, a personal injury case, to go ahead and lawyer up is because if you wait too long, let's say to receive medical treatment because you're trying to tough it out, right? You're trying to take those 500 milligram Tylenol or something like that, and you wait 3 weeks. Guess what? When you try to go to the insurance company to get money, guess what they're going to say? Well, you really wasn't hurt. It took you 3 weeks to treat, get medical treatment. But in nationality, you were just trying to fight through the pain. So the reason why it's so prevalent on the personal injury side is to go ahead and get a lawyer. Everybody's like, make sure you call us now because we want to make sure you set up the proper treatment and on the timeline. So if and when you do try to pursue a claim with the insurance company, we already got you locked ready to go.
Okay, let's just say the insurance company called me first, and they say, just hypothetically, Mr. Escott, we know that this 18-wheeler, hit you, and we know you got some long-term injuries, and we want to compensate you for $50,000. Why should I not take that check?
Man, because they cheating you. They cheating you, man. I always remember this. That in regards to insurance company, they're beholden to what? The stakeholders of the insurance company. Who owns the insurance company? Yeah, you might be paying a premium every month, but that has zero to nothing to do with your claim. Their thing is they're trying to get you in and out as cheap as possible. That's what they're trying to do. So they offer you $50,000. Chances are your case is probably worth $300,000 to $500,000 easily. So a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people think about you're in good hands. They think about all these commercials, but they don't understand. The insurance companies are owned by a board of folks. They're not interested in Blojo in St. Clair County. They're not trying to give it up. Okay, all they want you to do is keep paying that premium without you having an accident. That's why they want to make sure that accident-free discounts. Okay, guess what? They pretty much betting that you're not gonna have any accident. Therefore, they're not have to pay any claims. So guess what? Every month it's just free money coming to them.
Okay, so hire you as my attorney. What's the next steps after that process? I say, well, I got attorney Ronnie Rice. I'm gonna give y'all his phone number. How they react next?
Man, we take it from there. You put your feet up, man. You go to medical treatment, and we take care of everything else. The only thing we tell people to handle it is the property damage, because that's gonna be more of a timing deal. Like, let's say if you work from 6 in the morning, 3 p.m. at night, afternoon, and you need to go drop your car off. That's going to be more of a timing issue that you need to work out with the judge of, if they're going to pick it up, or if you want to drop them off at the local dealership, what have you. But the bodily injury claim, we handle. All we want you to do is make sure you receive medical treatment, proper medical treatment, okay? We're not talking about, just going to your primary care physician and just saying, hey, dog, I got this right here, and they slapping a Band-Aid on it. No, we want to make sure you're getting your MRIs, you're getting your x-rays, you're getting your physical therapy, you're getting, if you need a surgery, Lord forbid, make sure you get the right doctors on your side that's making sure that they're just not trying to patch you up and send you back to work. And that's one of the biggest things I see too, is you got to be careful where you get your medical treatment. And then also, we get all the information, we get all the evidence. If it's a DUI, I'm handling plenty of DUIs now. We want to make sure we get witnesses to state that, and that, police officer arrested the person, because it's all about documentation at this point. So the biggest thing, if you call me, what my staff and my team of attorneys, what we agreed upon, we focus on customer service, we focus on communication, and we focus on providing a level of comfort for you, that we try to be less intrusive into your lifestyle to make sure that this doesn't turn out bad for you in the future.
All right, but something, I'm still thinking about the insurance company giving me $50,000. The only reason I'm thinking about that insurance company is because I got some bills because I can't go to work. Right. What happens during that process, and how your firm handles that?
So there are opportunities for funding throughout your case. The state bar, unfortunately, frowns upon lending out money, because here's the thing. Let's say if your case is worth $200,000 and we loan out $100,000, guess what? There lives little room for you to settle. So the state bar actually frowns upon that. However, if there, in certain cases of emergency, the state board has allowed funding to come through the client. I always tell people, don't let your immediate emergency become a sense of importance. Because here's the thing, the emergency might be just a time stamp right now, but the importance to make sure that you get your full compensation overall. So do you want this $50,000 now because you got emergency, and then forego the $200,000 in a few months? Or do you want to wait and say, okay, you know what? I'm going to get what is due to me despite what the emergency is going on right now.
In your experience in law and handling these cases, what type of things that normally the client doesn't, like say for me, don't anticipate and don't see that's coming in this process before we sell?
Property damage claims. A lot of people think it's just gonna happen right overnight. That doesn't always happen. So be prepared to maybe get a rental car. Make sure you have that rental car policy on your insurance yourself, because some insurance companies and drivers don't have that clause in there where if they have an accident, you get a rental car. Second thing I would say is, a lot of people underestimate how badly they've been injured. A lot of folks like, I'll shake it off, whatever. Hey, your body's not made to be an accident. It's just not made. So I always tell people, go to your primary care physician. Why? Because they know you, right? They know if you broke your arm when you played football in high school. They know if you had an issue in college where you developed some type of disease or something that went around campus or something. I don't know. So they know your history. So they kind of prescribe a medical treatment plan that's catered to you. And it's just not some random person. Second thing I always tell people, always get MRI. MRI shows more detail than what an x-ray or just somebody that's touching your legs can feel. MRI kind of gives you more depth. Okay, so here's the thing. Once again, your body's not meant to be in accidents. And so that's one reason why the Ronnie Rice Law Firm, we focus on making sure that you receive the treatment you need. I also have made sure that clients go to counseling session. I've had kids who've been in major accidents, like an 18-wheeler, where the kids were scared to get in the car, and every time they rode past the 18-wheeler, they were scared, they start screaming. So now guess what? I want to make sure they go get counseling. I want to make sure they go see a psychologist to make sure that, they can at least face their fears. Because you got to understand, once again, you didn't cause this accident. The tortfeasor caused the accident. And you and your family should not be held responsible for the actions of someone else.
All right. Well, last important question on this topic is, How long will it take to get my check?
Yeah, hey, depends on how long your medical treatment.
Okay.
I tell people all the time, if you want a quick check, do some quick treatment. But guess what? That quick check ain't gonna be the largest. But if you get the required treatment, now I'm not saying, run up bills for just unnecessary reason. I'm not that guy. And I'm not gonna, anybody who's looking trying to get pills, that's not gonna happen with me, okay? I wanna make sure that my clients actually get service and get medical treatment that they need. So that the timing is usually take by anywhere from 3 to maybe 9 months, depending on how major the case is, depending on how major the medical treatment is. I have some clients who are still in counseling after 6 months. So I can't submit anything to the insurance company, you still receive medical treatment.
Okay, and I should say this is the most important question. What's that phone number and the website?
Man, 205 now, okay? I want to stand it. It's 205, baby, 222-9815. And then my website is simple, RonnieORice.com. My name is Ronnie O'Brien Rice, so hey, that's my legal name. It's not Ronald, by the way, guys. RonnieORice.com. Or I'm telling you, I get a lot of people who DM me. The women stop sending me crazy stuff. My girlfriend's slightly crazy. I'm just messing with you. DM me on any of my social media. Get Rice Now. That's GETRICENOW. So 205-222-9815. Log on to my website, RonnieORice.com, or DM me. Get Rice Now. GETRICENOW.
All right. Well, we're gonna get into this next segment. You all stay tuned. Please check out what'shappeningbirmingham.com for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.